Hi, my name's Jason Buers, and I'm here in the beautiful Night and Day Window Decor showroom located at 1075 Yonge Street, right in the heart of the city of Toronto. And today we're going to continue with our PowerView problem solving series. And what we're going to talk about now is the batteries. So we know that when our shade's not working the way that we want, it's either the remote, the motor, or our power source. So in this case, we're going to engage our remote and send our blind up. We notice that the blind is moving very, very slowly. Chances are that's a strong indication that our batteries need to be replaced. What I suggest is that you always keep some extra battery wands around to make changing the batteries very easy. So I'm just going to reach in and behind where the batteries are typically located, in behind the shade, and they're pressure fit, so they're easy to get down. And I'm going to replace them with my new set of batteries. I'm going to double check that the batteries have been inserted in the correct orientation. Believe it or not, if you just have one battery that's not in the correct orientation, your shade can still work, but only temporarily. And we've seen that happen before. But that can also be the cause of your shade not working, is not putting the batteries in correctly. So I've put in a series of fresh batteries, and I'm going to re-engage the shade to see if that was the issue was with my battery wand. And in this case, it goes up very quickly. If we had ensured that our batteries were fresh and they were in the correct orientation and our shade still didn't work and we felt that it was a battery wand issue, you then have to get in touch with your dealer to supply you with another battery wand. There is a fuse located in this battery wand that can sometimes be damaged, and that can also be the heart of the issue. My name is Jason Buers, and I'm here at 1075 Yonge Street at Night and Day Window Decor. Thank you for watching.